What's up everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katie Polonsky. I am a web designer based in Dallas, Texas. I am full-time freelance, so I do marketing strategy, graphic design, and web development. Today I'm answering a bunch of questions everyone left for me on my Instagram. They are everything from how I got started in web to how I stay motivated day to day. So let's jump right in. First question, how did you get into web design? I think my interest in web design even starts before web design when I started learning graphic design. I was in high school, and I mean, as you know, I didn't know what I wanted to do when I grew up, but my art teacher in high school was really pushing me to learn a lot of Adobe programs, even since as a freshman in high school. So, I mean, it was just kind of something that I was always getting A's in, and I enjoyed the class, and I mean, I was good at it, but I didn't really, see it as a potential, career one day. Then I got to college, and I thought I wanted to do sports nutrition for my major, and I changed, after the first semester, I changed to Viz, which is I went to Texas A&M in College Station, and the Viz program is called visualization, but we call it Viz. It kind of mixes science and art, and so that's really where I got the base for starting web design. With my part-time job in college, I had a connection to our web developer at the time, and I got an internship with his company and started learning web development and web design. It was just awesome. It was life-changing, and he was a great mentor. So I kind of knew, even since then, this was something that I wanted to do. The reason I chose front end over back end was because I just liked the aspect of front end more, and so because of that I started learning HTML and CSS on that internship, and then took a web design class the next semester. So I kind of knew before I graduated that it was something that I wanted to do. Next question, when did you start freelancing? So this kind of has two answers. I started seriously freelancing when I was just out of college, so probably August of 2017 maybe. I started freelancing while carrying on a full-time position. But I started freelancing full-time in February of 2020, right before the pandemic, so that was scary. I mean, it all worked out. All right, question number 3. How do you stay motivated while working from home every day? This is a really good question. This is a really good question. I know a lot of people are probably struggling with this. I kind of have a process, but that doesn't mean it doesn't change day to day. One thing I do to keep myself motivated, first and foremost, I try to kind of analyze how I'm feeling for the day. If I'm super motivated and I'm feeling really productive, you know, it's a good day, then there's not really that much I have to do to keep myself on track or motivated. So every week I have a digital agenda that I keep, so I kind of know what tasks I'm going to be doing throughout the whole week, what needs to be done what day, you know, stuff like that. But there's probably 1 or 2 days a week where I can't focus, I'm not motivated. For days like that, I try to change up my environment in any way that I see that makes me feel more comfortable. So a good example of if I'm going to continue working in my office, then I'll do something like light a candle, put on whatever kind of music I'm really feeling, or something that'll really make me focus. Could be anything from refreshing my desk space. To keep a focused environment, I'll do anything from make sure I have headphones on. I can put my hood, if I have a hoodie on, I'll put my hood up. I mean, honestly, if it's something that you're struggling with, if you're struggling with working from home and staying motivated, then I mean, it's really beneficial to take a break. On days where I'm really not feeling motivated, one thing that really helps is I'll set 2 hours where I block off that I'm just gonna focus and do something for 2 hours, or whatever time works for you, and then I'll give myself a 30-minute break to do just whatever I want, but I'll set a timer to make sure I don't kind of go over that time. Next question is, where do you want to travel to? I guess that means next. I think definitely like Tokyo, like specifically Tokyo is a place I just have to visit one day. I am obsessed with Japanese culture. Honestly, if I could travel the country of Japan, like I would do it in a heartbeat. Like that would be amazing. Last question is, will Coco be joining us in any of my videos? Coco will make appearances, I know she will, but sometimes she's really distracting and she just wants to like come sit in my lap and she's too big to do that. So, you know, not right now, but one day she'll be in my videos. I can guarantee it. Well, that wraps up my Ask Me Anything video. Thank you to everyone who submitted questions. If you like this video, leave a comment or subscribe. Or you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Twitch. I'll leave all my links down below, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!